All right, what's up? Let's get everything real nice here. Yeah, there we go. All right. Good morning. So I changed my layout a little bit. We're still following the rules. The rules are in place. Okay, those are not changing. They seem to be working. Okay, it seems that I'm making the same amount of money that I was making. I'm making smarter decisions. That's what it seems like. Rules are staying in place. I put some I put a new layout here to compensate for the rules, okay? So this is my focus is one ticker. And while the ticker is working, while the ticker, whatever, I've got also another window here. You see this window? So then I can just open it up and check out if I want to check something out. Okay? And this also has a tray. It's also got, an order book. Wait for the order book here. Yeah, it's also got the order book. Um, you know, Notes, watch list, top gainer. It's got everything that I need right here. In the case that I need to, this, I'm trying to look at two at a time. Maybe I want to pull up the SPY. So I could just pull up the SPY real quick, see how the SPY is doing, or keep the SPY like right here or something. So that's the plan now. We're really trying to focus on one stock at a time. I don't want to be looking at two at a time. Really focusing on one is helping me, okay? And I'm trying to draw my support lines. I haven't been drawing them. So we're going to be drawing the lines. Matter of fact, we're going to keep doing that here for just a second. Market's about to open, but we are looking at IN and N here. IINN, yeah. So we got a big chart, and we got two small ones to show the overall trend at all times, okay? 30-minute chart and 2-hour chart here. And then we're going to be trading usually on the 1 minute here, 5 minute, maybe 10 or 15 minute here, okay? But usually it's going to be the 1 minute. So we can kind of look at what's going on, see what kind of levels this thing is respecting. Right now it's kind of might be trying to respect that one there. It definitely respected this level here. So let's see, and we like to mix this with the order book. So we're gonna be doing that here, okay? So right now 570 is a level, it looks like. So we're gonna put 570 is a level that it's respecting. So we'll lock that in. And it looks like there's a trend line there, so we can put a trend line. And I'm even gonna extend that out a little bit. Even one there. Cool. So we're looking for stuff in the order book that's matching up with my price action. Basically what we're trying to do. There's another level there. So it looks like 610. Look for 610. There is some orders there, but 6 is even more. So it looks like it's starting to top off around 6 there. And while we're doing that, let me go ahead and do the overall average of this, since this just started running. That's good enough to do the overall average. And draw a huge trend line like that. Cool. Kind of zoom out a little more. Even come up and kind of do the average like that. Make that color. Okay. All right. Is that one locked? Let's make sure it's locked. Okay, good. Now, let's see if we can get a trade here. 575 looks like we'll take one at 575. And then it's looking like it's gonna bounce back to 6, maybe. Who's texting me? Doesn't seem like I got filled there, but that's okay. Texting my mentor. I think he's gonna pop in on the call, and we might trade together, or we might talk and look at some stocks or something. Just hang out. We're gonna try and take it a little bit easier. I know I've been trying to scalp. Oh, bid and ask, So I'm gonna try and take it a little bit easier. I'm really gonna try and reduce my trades to about 1/3 that I was using, or 1/3 of the amount that I was trading. I was trading way too much, and it seemed like that's why I was losing a bunch. And instead of just doing, buy bid, sell ask on the scalps, which is cool for the scalps, I'm gonna be looking to place more orders. Looks like 625 there. It's wanting to bounce up. 625 looks like it's going to be a sell point. It's around there. So we might still have some area to move. Looks like maybe in about a little while it might hit that. Let's see if we can get filled. 6. See, I might move my order down to 590. Okay, I got filled at 595. That's okay. But it's kind of looking like it's respecting some levels right now, so that's good. We're just gonna wait, and we're gonna see what it does. If it breaks out of this thing hard, that's a plus. Market is open right now. $625 it looks like. Try and take one at 625. Looking real weak at those levels there. But actually it's looking strong at those levels. It's because it's gonna keep kind of testing it. Let's see if we can get filled there at 625. More orders want to come in at 595, so this thing is ranging pretty nice right now. Really trying to see if I can get filled on that 625 order. Oh yeah, a lot of volatility. It's just booming past. $570. Looks like buyers are getting weak. I'm actually gonna try and get out somewhere here. Buyers are looking real weak right now. Well, actually, no, I take that back. Buyers are looking strong. I'm gonna put that back. I lied. We're gonna do 624 though. We're gonna try and get in right before that large sell order. It looks like there is a lot of buyers around 560, something like that. So they might try and rebound around this level here. So we're gonna see $6 looks like a level. If it breaks $6, that's real good. And it didn't. So I might actually add one if it goes down and get another average on it. Shoot. But it seems like there's a lot of buying going on around 560, you know, around there. 569 looks like a key level. I'm actually gonna take one right here. Let's see what it does. So it definitely broke out of that channel there to the downside. So we are gonna have to change our order to just barely sneak out of there. Yeah, I'm just gonna change it to where it's just almost tapping the tapping that channel. I'm gonna do 587. Do another one at 5. We'll do another one at 580 for a small loss. Okay, nice. There you go. There you go. It's coming way back up right now, but a lot of selling at $6. It looks like. See if we can break through it, which we didn't. But a lot of orders got filled. So I might try and get in again at 570. See if we can get filled there. Nice, we got it. And then I'm gonna try and get out at 6. Oh wow, a lot of selling at 590. I'm actually gonna move that to 580. Yeah, 588 is good. Let's try that. Are you recording? Yeah, we are. Sorry, I was gonna make sure because I forget. Okay, now it's bouncing even lower, 553. Still a lot of selling at 590. So doesn't look like sellers want to move their sells down lower. So I'm still gonna keep my my position there. But it is respecting this bottom here, so that's okay. And we also got a new level there. Yeah, I see how it kind of wants to tug on that. So I'm gonna try and take another one at 554. Nice. And then I'm gonna scalp that one at 569. So we got one when it does a quick shoot. And then got one at 588. There's actually another level there that I failed to recognize. There you go. Down about 3% right now. If it goes lower to about 5%, remember we got to get out. Keep watching the bid and the ask right now. Looks like a lot of sellers at 550. Yeah, this thing might not make it back up, but I'm hoping it does. So it's making another level here. Oh, sorry. Make another level there. Okay, sellers are trying to sell higher now, so that's good. I guess they see that it's looking like it's okay. Cool, so we're bouncing up that resistance again, or that support again. So I'm hoping on the fake breakout when everyone gets stopped out, I'm hoping it doesn't put me at 5% loss. Still a lot of orders at 550 there to get out. Ooh, I'm almost at 5% loss. But that one could have been the fake breakout, so let's see. Looks like it. Which is great. We didn't take that 5% loss. But now let's just hope that we can move past those sellers at 550. Because that's a lot of sell orders. Okay, we just ate them right up, so that's good. So 560 is the new wall. And then 590, and after 560, I think it's good to go. So I think if it breaks 560, chances are it's going to go higher than 569. So I'm actually going to put this one above with my other one. Oh, sorry. There you go. I'm actually going to put this one close with my other one. And we'll get out at 588 on both of them. Cool. So let's see what's going on with other stuff right now. Let's look at ENSC. What's that doing? Cool, I got one sold at 588. See if we can get the other one. ENSC is made a new high there. So where's that red one that I had? New high there. Then it bounced off these lows. And it's kind of respecting something around here. So you respected that. What else? Kind of respected whatever that was. And something there. Cool. So we're gonna roll with that. The overall direction of this whole little thing is kind of moving down into this previous high here. So we're just gonna leave that be and kind of see what goes on. Don't know why it doesn't let me opt out of this. I guess you just have to fucking draw the chart. Okay. Anyways, we'll put this back up here. I'm gonna look back at IINN. Looks like it's kind of in a trend almost. And we can almost match it up with that. If we were smart, we would. And I think if it breaks 570, it's actually going to be farther than 588. So I'm actually going to put this higher. I think somewhere around 6 is going to be more like it. Yeah. 590 looks like it's having fun at 590. But I'm actually going to put it towards the highs. I'm going to put it towards around 619, something like that. I think it is going to have a ball towards the highs, it looks like. So I'm just going to leave it there. See what that does. Okay, and let's check back up on ENSC. Yeah, so it looks like it's ranging. I mean, it is looking rangy right now. I see another trend right here. Or sorry, I see another level right there. But it's looking rangy right now. Probably not something. I mean, I do trade ranges, but hey, that's a quick move to support there on the 5 minute. I might actually want to get in at yeah, we'll take one at 526. How about that? Well, we're gonna take one at 526, and we're gonna see how that goes. If it hits it, great. I already hit it though, but it could hit again. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. I'll take that there, and then we'll just see how that moves. I have a feeling it's gonna go upwards towards like 550, maybe 570, and retry that range again. And whether or not it's trying to range to the downside, I don't know. It might bounce and then kind of range up and do some more action. But we're just gonna put one sell order at the top of the range. We'll just put it at yeah. We'll just put it at 570. That's okay. 570. And we'll just let that chill, and we'll save the rest of our buying power, which is like one share for this stock. We'll save that to average down. Looks like IINN is really testing that support again on that trend. But we have buying support at 530. I might try and take one there at 530. See if we can get one. Cool, I got one. Wow, big moves to the downside right now, but that's okay. I'm just gonna keep this order valid, and then I might put one at like 550. Let's see what the order book says. Actually, it really looks like there's no large orders right now. It's all like institutions that are buying some here, selling some here, and it looks like the majority of it is selling because it's obviously going down. Actually, no. Right now, it's kind of middle. It's middle ground right now, but buyers are coming in. It looks like, and 540 seems like a new resistance that's coming up. 560 is the next one. So whether or not we found the bottom, not sure. I don't really want to call the bottom right now, but it might be looking to come up. Yeah, 540, 545. That tells me if they're guessing from the bottom right now, that means when it comes up, they're going to be guessing maybe 560. I'll put one to sell at 5. Let's do it at that level, 562. We'll sell one there at 562. All right. So now back to ENSC. see how it's respecting that range, and it is. It looks like it is respecting that range. So we do have another key level right there. It looks like. So we're gonna see what it wants to do. And we even got another one there. Cool. And if that is the case, that it is respecting the trend, then we will see continuation off of this towards the target of 570. But there is a downtrend there, but it's still an ascending, kind of deal. So I'm okay with that. And actually, there's another greater trend going on there. Looks greater there. So we'll just kind of leave those, and we'll just see how it wants to react there. Let's see if we take the average of that whole thing. It's like somewhere there. More like there. It's like somewhere like that. If we take the average. Yeah. So we might see a spike to 570. I'm almost gonna watch that to see if we do or don't. I have a feeling we're not gonna see it, just because of this charting that I'm doing right now. I have a feeling we're not gonna see it, and yeah, it already broke that. It already broke that trend line. So we might want to focus more on the downtrend, because it's looking to break somewhere around here. It's not a very good range to trade, it looks like. I might try and get out around 550 now, because I think it is gonna spike up. I just don't think it's gonna spike up to 570 anymore. So we're gonna change that to 550, and that should be perfect. Put that back. And we'll look back at IINN. See what it wants to do here. Looks like it respected another level there. And it also respected something there. Yeah, so probably would be the best choice to sell around here. It looks like there will be too much selling pressure for it to go up to 619. But that's going to determine if we see a lot of strong buying here. We might move this up slightly. We might just move this up to 570, and then let that 619 one ride in case we do see something nice. But as of right now, it seems to be kind of respecting this level here. So we're gonna let that ride and see what that does. I mean, whether or not it wants to jump or what. Yeah, that's a good kind of line there. Yeah, so buyers are coming in around this price. And it looks like it came down enough to where it almost has room to go back. On the 5 minute, it does look oversold for sure. So we could be due for a jump up, a jump, and I think it's gonna correct, and then it's gonna slowly you up to maybe that other price target at the highs there. Oh man, my laptop is really fucking hot. I need to like put an ice pack on it or something. Hold on, let me get an ice pack. It's so hot right now. That's so crazy. Yeah, this computer is a beast, but holy crap, they did not design cooling very well on it. But the reason being was because it's it was made for style. You know, they wanted more style with it rather than cooling, I guess. So we're just gonna put that. Is that touching buttons? Fuck. Oh shit. I wonder if I can just kind of. Nah, see, it's tough. Damn it. All right, fuck it. Damn. Oh, I know what I can do. I can put it on the underside. Yeah, I can put it on the underside. We'll have it kind of sit on that there. Yeah. That's perfect. Cooler down. All right. Wow. Yeah, that was a dramatic difference, but it's already getting hot again. That's so funny. Okay, anyways. You see me wobbling around when I move it? Oh yeah, that laptop is hot, man. Cool. Let's see how we're doing on this. Is there any hunch that we're gonna follow? Yeah, so didn't really respect that very well. We'll get rid of that one. Or you know what? I almost want to keep that because it kind of shows me an almost moving resistance or moving support like that. I almost want to keep that. There's also one there. Yeah, that's great. That's just so dandy. So yeah, we're just kind of watching these two. Oh wow, yeah, we are down on INN 537%. Wow. Yeah, so if it breaks this, I'm just gonna get out. I think it's at a level where it's gonna reverse, so I'm actually not gonna get out. Yeah, see, we're up to about 5, 4. We were up just then about right under 5. So I'm gonna let it hover around 5 right now, just because it's out of support. But if it was at a time where it looked like it was gonna break support, nah, I'd probably get out then. But it just makes no sense to just waste money like that, especially when we are gonna come back on the way up. See how the order book's looking. Yeah, we got a ways to go on the knock out all those sellers, but it can be done. Let's see what's new on the tops. IINN is still on the tops there. ENSC. So these two are probably gonna be my important ones. Oh wow, ISIG is at 30 today. That's just nuts. I think it was at like 20 something yesterday. Man, that's nuts. I can't believe I sold it. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, so we're looking for a break now to the upside. My laptop's doing on temperature. Yeah, it's a little better, but it's still kind of. It's real hot. Cool, so we're making our way back up. Making our way downtown. And we're going to see how we do on our price targets. Let's see how the order book's looking. Sellers might definitely be trying to sell higher. Now they see the price moving up. So we're getting a run here. It should pull back right now. If it doesn't pull back right now, we got very nice strength, and that's really good strength. So we might see a good run after that. Looks like it is. And let's see how that trend line is being respected. Seems like it's being almost respected more than that other support line I was making. So that's good. Oh yeah, how's ENSC? Just dumped. Look at that. I'm not worried though. It kind of looks like buyers are coming in around that support line there. So that was either heavy shorting or it just had to go down. It needed to go down to complete that to complete the trend. So we're gonna make this one green there. Move that back. And let's see how we can do for IINN. Good thing on ENSC we only took one share. Wow. Lot of shorting. Oh yeah, look at the order book. That's like all shorting. Look at that. So that's tough. That's pretty tough, man. It's okay though. I'm still gonna keep my orders in place. I still think the trade is good. The only thing I'm worried about is my out. I'm out 7% right now. So what I'm really looking for buyers to come in here, and if they don't, I'm definitely gonna have to get out. Definitely, definitely. Looks like they're coming in. Yeah, laptop is really hot. Yeah, so let's look at ENSC. Cool. Looks good. Yeah, so if it breaks these lines, I'm definitely gonna get out. Those are swift moves that I just couldn't catch. So I'm expecting swift moves back up. If um, if it goes lower though, I'm just gonna get out. I mean, it's already past my out, and I should have been out, but I didn't catch it fast enough. So yeah, I'm really giving it some leeway here. I shouldn't be, I should really respect the rules. But I think right now I get the get out of jail free card just because it's making moves, very swift moves down to support. So I think right now I'm okay. All right. Oh, almost had to get out there on IINN. There's another support at 470. There's one there. But we can't just keep doing this, like looking for the next portal. It's gonna bounce back off the next one. Nah, we can't keep doing that. I just got lucky enough to where it just quickly rebound there. So that could have been stop loss triggering, and that was the false break, and now we're gonna be able to see a move up. That could be what it was. So let's check it out, and and see. I'm not going to cut losses just yet. Take a look at ENSC. Yeah, so ENSC is doing a curl up. So it looks like shorts are covering. So I don't know why they would want to do that. I mean, maybe it's because it's about to run and they wanted a better price. They stop loss hunting to get liquidity. That could be it. Let me get the sun out of my face. Yeah, that's better. So I'm kind of expecting this one to do a curl up as well. We got sells at 510. ENSC is just got shorted again. Yeah, that sucks, but I mean it's coming back, so that's okay. If I was smart, I would take advantage of the shorts right now and buy in. And I am smart. What was it at? 470. Place an order for 470. We'll take it at 472. See if we can get filled at 472. Oh, it's probably not. Looks like it's gonna move. So, oh, that's fine. Whatever. 477. That's like right where it is, anyways. Okay, that's fine. Man, one thing I hate is just how hard it is to open and close these charts. I'm like struggling. I don't know why Weeble's devs made it so meticulous to do it. They should fix that. And I'm already maxed out on the 10% on IINN. So we're gonna wait. ENSC. Yeah, see, ENSC is coming up. It almost looks like ENSC is ahead of IINN. IINN is kind of lagging almost. Let's see if it breaks this, I'm out. For sure out. I want to see it break that purple line and I'll get out. Looks like there's buying support at 4.8. Looking good on ENSC. IINN though, I'm a little worried. It is bouncing off that low at 4.8. But I'm worried there's too many sellers to push it up. So I really want to see some movement to the upside like that can introduce buyers and show buyers that it is moving. Because that's what buyers want to see. Buyers want to see that it's moving. And sellers want to see that it's falling. That's what they want to see. So we could be in the zone now. I mean, we could be okay. So I'm out of the worry now. I'm looks like we're good. So that would have been an expensive lesson there. Um, take your profits. Don't shoot too high. You know, that I could have had 10 cents maybe on that, or I thought it was gonna rip, but I guess she dips before she rips, right? Sorry, there you go, ENSC. My mentor's like, whatever you do, don't look at ISIG, because ISIG is at like 35 bucks right now, and I sold at 14. I can't believe it. That's so funny. So I'm really looking for it to head back up towards that low of the entire chart there. That's kind of like the, that one's kind of like, or actually, this one is that one there. So we haven't really broke out of the chart yet. Oh no. Okay. Sorry, NSC. You've got to go, brother. Look at IINN. See if it wants to. If it wants to jump. We had to give back some profits on ENSC, but hopefully IINN doesn't let us down. So yeah, if it makes another swift move down to support, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna risk that. I'm just gonna take the loss and reevaluate. So I'm really hoping that it starts making higher supports. Looks good. Let's see what ENSC wanted to do. Maybe it's time to get back in. I don't know. Could be. Very well could be. Check the order book. Sales are at $5. Yeah, let's take one. Let's take one. We're gonna take one at 463. IINN is moving on up. ENSC doesn't look as favorable. But I mean, we should see a quick move up, no doubt about it. But when that is, that's gonna depend. So only taking 10% of my portfolio is kind of working out for each trade. It's really helping me. I think it's best because if you put too much in one stock, you might make a lot on one, but you're also gonna lose a lot on the other. And sometimes if you lose a lot, you're not gonna be so inclined to sell it, so you might lose even more. Or in my situation. Looks like it's legging up. Let's see for any other tops. Not really. Oh, that's pre-market. We gotta look for one day. Yeah, ISIG boxed. Cool. So we are in two of the biggest ones right now, so that's good. IINN is heading towards my how do you say, my position right now. Still gonna have my orders in place. So I think it still has all the buying pressure plus the shorts that need to cover, so I think it is gonna go higher. Cool, so we're up on both now. Profit zone here. I might try and wait till it's near my average. So I might do it around $5. Yeah, that's good. I'll sell one at 5 here. See what the order books look like. Yeah, 5 is definitely a key level, looks like. Alright, it's making a leg up there. So yeah, as you can see, we keep evolving, right? Like we're making rules, we're changing our setups, we're evolving You know, we're looking. I looked back at my videos and try to see what I did that was so important to my success on those days, and a lot of times it was just being patient and not jumping in too fast. You know, cutting losses when necessary, stuff like that. Because you can always jump back in. You can always re-enter. It's no problem. You know, so just cut the loss and wait till it's better for re-entry. You know, that's it. That's really it. So we're just waiting right now. We're gonna take one at 562 on IINN and then ENSC. Computer is still burning my, it's literally burning my hand. If I hold it on there for 10 seconds, it will burn my hand. That's insane. It's so hot. I need to build a computer. That's what I need to do. Yeah, that's probably what I need to do. Build a nice computer. IINN is one of the most active stocks right now. Percent turnover. What's EFOI looking like? Not too much volume. I think I'm gonna stay away from that one for right now. So if both these trades go through, we'll be out. We'll be out even farther in the profit than we were before them, which is good. They both got to work out for that to happen. And as of right now, it seems that they are working out. It's looking good. Because it's really below this average that it's at right now. So we should be seeing a leg up, definitely a move up. It's really below it. So I guess I might even need to move the average a bit. Now I'll have to move it somewhere like there. ENSC still holding good. It just looks like they're like laser lines, you know, those laser security systems and shit. That's totally what it looks like. See what GameStop's looking like. Normal GameStop stuff. Huh, I don't like that though. I guess it's because of earnings it did that. But it might be okay. We're either gonna run really hard or we're gonna drop. Don't know. A lot of price rejection there from 550. Try to clean up these charts here so you can see the overall trend and it's not just like all my markings. Yeah, that works. So a lot of shorting there, but we also had a nice bounce back. So that seems okay. ENSC, let's see if it follows that shorting. Yep, it did. Alright, so let's clean this up now. Do a nice average like that. Then we'll just put, let's just put like 5. Put 1. 2. Uh, 3. 4. And 5. Yeah, that's cool. No. Man, so those are dropping today. Alright, let's clean this one up too. So we'll do 1. 2, 3, 4, and then we can also put one right there, 5. Let's get our average. 2. Yeah, perfect. Ow. All right, ice pack is done. That thing just melted. So I think I'm gonna have to play these a little better. I'm not gonna go for 5. I'm gonna go for 73. There's also a level there. And one there. And it's more like there. I have to change the orders so I can get out and profit now. This one might actually be reversing nicely. I'm gonna let this one have a good day, but this one, I need to get out of this one as soon as I can. And that is, that's not too far in the red. If I'm able to just get out slightly in the red, that's good. If I get out profit, thank Jesus. Yeah, let me shut some of this light. These lights. Yeah, that's good. So in that case, let's look for something else. I wonder what this is. So we got about 10 minutes till I'm shutting down shop. So let's see if we can get and stay in the green for today. At least if we're always in the green, you know, that's great. Could have had some real good plays today, but messed it up because it didn't take profit sooner. So that's unfortunate. Real unfortunate, but it's okay. ENSC, we're almost at our profit target, which is 4.73. Okay, let's go back to boxed. See what this is doing. Yeah, this one's like dead. Ooh, 199,999. What? Oh, maybe they're hoping that somebody does a market order and just gets fucked. Looks like we got another level. So if it starts tugging on this 4.7, I might actually move my sell order up. There's a lot of buys there at 4.52, but that's all the way down there. IINN is about to get me in the profit zone. And we are profited. Let's see if we can break these highs here. And if we can take one at 562. Nice. Showing strength. Good. We got one. Let's see if we can get it all the way up to our target at 619 there. So ENSC should kind of follow the same thing. Looks like there was a lot of shorting. We might be able to see the same thing from ENSC. But it looks like it's respecting that level there at 580. So if it doesn't really show much strength, I might move my limit order there, 580. But let's see how it does. I mean, it's looking weak. Yeah. So I'm gonna move my limit order there to 580. Now we're gonna look for ENSC to do something of the same. I'm gonna actually take one here at IINN. Nice. So that tells me that there is strength. I'm actually gonna move this higher now. We're gonna go back to 6. ENSC is coming back up. I'm gonna go ahead and load one up on ENSC too. See if I can get filled. Yeah, so ENSC is go, and I'm gonna try and get filled there. Still showing strength on IINN. Nice, so we're filled there on ENSC. Looking for the break. Should almost see it at this high here. Should almost see a nice nice pop up to here. This one here. Oh, look at that. But that's okay. I think it's gonna pop up. And then these will be the last two trades of the video. There goes the NSC popping up. So if it breaks there, it's probably not going to stop there. I think it might stop a little bit higher. We're going to try 480 on that. Seeing big price rejection around this range of 560. So if we can break 560, I think we got a good chance of going higher to about 590, something like that. Because you can see the average, we're still below the average. I think we can get higher. Wow, look at that. Just took all those buys. Wonder why. Could be getting ready to just blow. Since we're way below the average, they might be looking to. Yeah, we are just. So we could see a run there to 650. Just for grins, I'm gonna put my sell order at 650. And ENSC is still holding green right now. See if it moves to that adjusted price target, 4.8. I think it will. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one. Probably, yeah. We'll just cut it there. And we got filled on both of those orders on ENSC. Let's see if it wants to go higher just for learning purposes, since it was showing a lot of strength here. It probably isn't gonna get rejected here. That's what I can now see, since it was showing a lot of strength. Or maybe it gets rejected for a slight moment and then it keeps going, but I don't think it's gonna be turning around here by any chance. I think it's gonna just slowly and then just shoot right back up. So this one is very lucrative for me. I think I'm definitely interested in buying more shares, but I don't have the capital. You know, we can totally see something like that happen, you know, over here when it just plummets, you see, and all you see is just it getting picked right back up. Same thing here, you see it plummets and it gets picked right back up. Same thing here. So I'm assuming we're gonna see a run up, and essentially we're gonna see more covering. The shorts are gonna cover more. Whatever reason they find, maybe, you know, they're running out of time, or, you know, they think news is about to come out or something like that. But we're just gonna wait and see. We are up 1% on the day, about 1%. It's more like 0.8, 0.9 since the count's now at like 122, something like that. 120 something. 109 plus 10. Oh no, it's at, well, if we make this trade right, it'll be at 112, something like that, or 122. Yeah. That's so crazy, you know. We're losing money, but we're actually barely profitable, which is, I never thought that that was going to be possible for me. You don't even understand. Like, I would just trade my account away. But we're actually profitable. Even if we're just barely consistently profitable, we're in the 1%. You know, 1% of the traders, they're not, I mean 90, sorry, we're in the 10%, because 90% of traders are not profitable. They make money here and then they lose it, and they make money here and then they lose it, you know. It's probably been about almost 2 weeks now, and we have been profitable. It's been slight, you know, it's been slight, but we are profitable, and that's what matters, that we are profitable. So we're still figuring out how to do it. You know, we're getting better every single day. Every single day we're improving. We're learning the market structures. We're seeing why things are happening, you know, and we're not getting shooken out as easily. We have a really good rules guideline here, 5% out, you know, total market value, needs to be 10% or less than portfolio, and we have to close all positions end of day. These are all like guidelines, right? Like if it hits 5%, we don't necessarily have to sell it at 5%, but 5% is like, okay, dude, what's going on? That's like, that's the ringers. And trade market value, once it hits 10%, we're like, okay, dude, watch it. And then close all positions end of day is like, once it comes 3 o'clock, we got to start considering to close our positions, because we're going to have to close them at the end of the day. We're going to have to get out at around 5%. We're going to have to get out with our market value less than 10% of our portfolio. That's the key, right? So if our portfolio is $120 and we take a stock that's $12.80, that's more than 10%, but we still have that little wiggle. It's like a guide, We're not going crazy, We're not letting our stock fall 20%. We're not doing that. Okay, that's a losing trade, And there are some here and there's, if a stock just immediately shoots 20%, then 30%, we got to see what's going on. We got to see whether or not we want to get in that trade, because that could be a very, very profitable trade. But as of now, we have very good rules here, and we're gonna stick by them. We're definitely gonna stick by them. So look in here. If it breaks $5 here, that's gonna put us well below our 5%. It's gonna put us at like 8%, 9%. But we're holding at a line where a lot of buyers are coming in, so I almost don't want to sell it, because at the tip of this here, it's about 5% loss. So I almost don't want to sell it if it stays in this area. I want to sell it if it breaks this. For sure, I'm getting out. So we're gonna be looking here and waiting. There's buyers at $5 to $5.02. There's buyers. Sellers are like in the higher numbers right now. Okay. Looks like I'm done. Looks like I'm closing it. I might close it one like that. Then I'll have to close another one like that. Wow. So we are 1 cent up on the day. We profited on the day. Oh my God. We're profiting. That was tough. That was a tough day. It was. We took losses today, but we actually made it out. So I'm gonna keep trading. I'm gonna be looking for some really good plays, and I'm gonna be doing chart analysis and stuff. But the video's done for right now. We are profited, so I'm gonna write that down. Actually, I'll have to write it down in my notebook after I'm done trading. But yeah, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I really can't believe we made it out alive. That's telling me that our positions are getting more accurate. Like our analysis is getting more accurate. That's what it's telling me. Because otherwise, I'd probably be down like $2 right now. So it is telling me that it's getting more accurate, for sure. And the rules are helping me stay out of messes, and it's helping me, not be so crazy about it. So great. That's all I have to say. Yeah, subscribe. I mean, We're gonna be doing a lot more stuff. You're gonna love my mentor when you hear him talk and stuff like that. That's gonna be a separate video though. You're gonna love him. He's great. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, last day until Monday. Peace out, guys.